Hi, I'm Christina Williams with My Craft Channel, and I've brought a quick tip for you. I love the idea of pleated ribbon on your layout or cards, anything that you can add a piece of ribbon to. It's cutest when it has even extra texture by raising it up off the page. On the layout right here that I used, I just ran my ribbon right through the Xyron machine and applied adhesive to the back of it. And then by simply pinching it and adding it down to the layout, that's how I adhered it. Here's a little card and I'll show you exactly how I got that effect. Just peel the ribbon off of the back of your adhesive, and I like to tuck it underneath the edge there, and then applying it down with a little pinch here and there and pressing it onto the layout or card as well. Repeating over at regular intervals, or you can also make it look more random if you'd like. That's up to you. You can see how I get that effect on my layout or card. Then you can just trim the edge off or carry it back around the bottom, however you would like. So here's a little quick tip from me, Christina Williams, for My Craft Channel.